Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, i-share ko naman sa inyo kung paano mag-check-in online ng flight ticket dito sa Cebu Pacific Airlines. So, kung interested ka sa topic ng video na ito, please keep on watching. And before we proceed guys, kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, pwede ba ako makahingi ng favor to subscribe this channel at pakiclick na rin ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga susunod na video na i-upload ko. Okay, so let's start. Okay guys, punta lang tayo sa ating mga browser. So i-type lang natin dito sa search bar ang Cebu Pacific, cebufacificair.com. So i-click ko na yan. Okay, so may makikita po kayo dyan, check-in. I-click lang po natin ito. So, kailan ba dapat tayo mag-check-in online dito sa Cebu Pacific Airline? So, ito na yon, online check-in available 7 days before your flight. Domestic passenger have until 1 hour before their flight to check-in online, while international passenger have until 4 hours before their flight. So, pwede tayong mag-online check-in before 7 days until to 1 hour. And then, sa mga international naman, 7 days din, before 7 days before your flight until 4 hours. So, i-type lang po natin dito ang reference number F7YTC. So, make sure tama po yung booking reference number and then yung surname ng passenger. Okay, so ito na yung details. So, don't worry, flight changes are still allowed up to 2 hours before your flight. So, ito yung passenger details. So, dito, emergency contact. Let us know, we may contact in case of emergency. Make sure to add someone who is not part of this flight. Ilagay ko lang dito ang contact emergency. And then dito, you can purchase your add-ons while checking. So, wala naman akong i-add dito. So, continue lang. And then, ito yung payment summary. Okay, so security question and dangerous goods. So, pwede nyo rin yung basahin kung ano yung mga bawal. So, once na tapos na nyo i-view yan, view items classified dangerous goods, view security measures, and restricted item for carry-on baggage. So, alamin natin dito kung ano yung mga bawal. Yan, mga liquids, food items, cooked food with sauces, fresh or frozen meat, or fish, canned drinks, canned goods, etc. So, bawal, sports equipment, and wires and cable, bladed items, yun, mga matutulis, Swiss knife, cutter, scissors, bawal po yun sa check-in. Cans and umbrellas, bawal. So, ayan. So, i-check lang po natin ito. I fully understand these reminders and confirm that my bags comply to the safety and dangerous goods regulation. So, check lang po yan. Ito yung mga reminders din. Reminders, you may display, print, or reprint your boarding pass prior to your flight departure and after you have check-in online. So, flight changes, check baggage, boarding, carry-on baggage. So, check-in na natin. Okay, you have successfully checked in. pwede na natin i-print ito at ganun lang po kadali mag-check-in online dito sa Cebu Pacific Airlines. Thank you for watching.